Today, I am going to be showing you how to divide words into parts. Yes, that's right. We're going to be using our hands to do that. We're going to be clapping syllables today. This is a very important skill. Once you know the rules of syllable division, you'll be able to read any word more accurately and fluently. Now, to determine the number of syllables in a word, it is decided by the vowel sounds that you hear in that word, not necessarily the number of vowels in the word, but the vowel sounds that you hear in the word. So this is definitely a listening activity, okay? So let's listen for the sounds and we're gonna put some movement to it by clapping our hands, okay? So we're gonna take our first word, dog, okay? Dog. Let's do it together. Dog. How many vowel sounds did you hear? Now let's segment that word. D, a, g. I hear one vowel sound. Ah, very good. So this is a one syllable word. Okay? All right. Let's try this one. Monkey. Monkey. Let's clap it together. Monkey. How many syllables? If you guess two, you are absolutely correct. Two syllables, two vowel sounds. Very good. Now let's try this one. Elephant, elephant. Okay, let's clap it out. Elephant, elephant. Very good. Three syllable word. All right, here's our last word. Let's clap it out together. Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter. How many syllables? Four, you guessed it. Four vowel sounds. Helicopter. Very good. Now you know a simple way and a fun way that you can divide words into parts by using clapping.